Hi everyone, welcome to Standard Sensations. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. It would be really appreciative. And everybody that keeps coming back, love you for it. Thank you so much. All the comments, all the thumbs up, everything. Just love it. So feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I've got a 10 by 20 canvas in front of me. I put no acrylic paint on it. Usually I start my base with paint on it. This time I'm not going to. I was at the dollar store and come across these little ornaments for your table. They got little diamond kind of cuts in it. I thought, oh, those look kind of cool. Maybe I could do something with that with a pour. So I'm going to give it a whirl. They were $1.25 at the dollar store. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cover this one in black paint, this one in white. Then start adding some of my colors. I'm going to be doing berry wine. I'm going to be doing some right out of the bottle, fluid art, ready to pour, deco art. It's beige, ready to go. I haven't added anything to it. Artez's green yellow, I have a little bit left of that mixed. My metallic pearl, also metallic Deco Arts Extreme Sheen Amethyst, and Deco Arts Extreme Sheen silver, a little bit left in that. So those are the colors I'm going to do, and we'll just see what happens. This will be interesting. Okay, so I got my white and I got my black mixed. I'm going to pour my white first. And just see what kind of a pattern we get from these guys. I always like to find things to pour paint over, so. Okay, there's my white down. Let's pour the black. Well, that's what we're going to start with. And I'm not even sure if I'm going to do a swipe or a blowout or a tilt. I'm not sure. Totally gonna figure it out as we go. So let's put wineberry on both of these. Because it's one of my favorite colors, this wineberry. Love it. Okay. Then I'm going to put some of the beige. Ready to pour paint. Okay, now let's add some of the Arteza yellow green. Not very much left of this, so I'll have to try and share it with both sides here without running out. Okay, I'll officially call that bottle done. Then I've got my metallic pearl. Oh, looks really cool so far. Love the pearl paints. Metallic is always dries beautifully. Got a nice sheen to it. And the metallic Deco Arts Extreme Sheen Amethyst. Gonna be lots of paint on here, but that's okay. Then we're going to do the Extreme Sheen Silver, and this one's almost empty too. So I'll share the paint on both of these things. There we go. And I think I'm going to end it off with a little bit more berry. There we go. I think that's good. That's lots of paint. Wipe my hands off. Okay. Very cool kind of design happening. So that's a thumbs up from the dollar store item. Now do I scrape some of this paint off? I probably should. Let's try. It's not really doing much, is it? Maybe I want to pour a little white on there. I think I'm going to, just to get, do I have anything left in here? Let's see. Get some of that color moving. Now I scraped that out pretty good. Okay, I'm going to take it from my bottle here. There we go. I don't know if that's going to do anything or not, but we'll see. Grab my little air compressor. I'm just going to blow it out right off the top maybe. Boy, the top of these balls are pretty cool. That looks really cool. Okay. I'm just gonna pull these off now. I'm over it. Got as much paint off as we could. And pull this guy up. Wonderful, and the paint is flowing right into the center there. Now, I'm going to take some of my white paint and just get this area covered with some paint. Spread it around a little bit. Without wrecking my design too much. There we go. Okay, now let's get some black on the other side. Let's see if that's enough. Oop, got a little flake of white there. There we go. Okay, now we can have some paint movement fairly easily. I'm just not sure which direction I want to go with this. Do I want to draw a couple lines through? Yeah, I think I do. I'm going to grab my paintbrush handle here. And I'm going to just twirl it around through here a little bit. I think I'm going to go lots of lines through here. Okay, let's do the same thing here. Okay. I think I'm going to do a tilt. There's a lot of paint on this canvas. That's okay. Get down in this corner a little bit. There we go. I need a dark spot. There we go. Just going to pour that a little bit. I really like this top area. Okay, I just poured that off. Perfect. Let's get now, I think that looks really cool with the black and the berry right down there. Okay, I'm just going to take my gloves off. So definitely had lots of paint on me, including my wrist here. Okay, let's give it a torch. Get those bubbles out. Now this paint had no silicone in it, and I've got cells popping up. Lots of cells over here. That looks really cool. I wanted to do an abstract, something unique, and I got one. I'm so tempted to do a couple of squirrelies with. Do I leave it or do I do something else with it? I think I'm going to do something. I want to do just kind of a ribbon swoop through it. Right there. That looks really cool. Okay, I'm happy I did that. I like that. Alrighty, I'm not going to lift it because I'm going to pour paint off of here for sure, but it looks gorgeous. Thanks very much for joining me, everybody. These dollar store items, excellent buy for $1.25. I really like how these colors turned out. I've even got the little bit of green that I had popping out. The cells are really cool. Alright, please hit subscribe. Come back and watch another video. Thanks, everyone.